Hiccups are annoying, but have you ever wondered why they happen? Meet your body's breathing engine, the diaphragm. It sits right under your lungs. Normally, it pulls down smoothly to let air in and relaxes to let air out. But if you eat too fast, your stomach swells and irritates this muscle. Your brain creates a glitch, causing the muscle to spasm and yank down violently. This spasm sucks a huge gulp of air into your throat instantly. To stop this windstorm, your vocal cords, the glottis, slam shut tight. When the air crashes into those closed doors, it makes the sound ick. Scientists believe this is a leftover glitch from when our ancestors were tadpoles. Holding your breath increases CO2, which resets the brain and stops the spasms. Do you get hiccups often? For more fun videos like this, subscribe to FactGranth now.